BBQ. There's 1,000 different styles, there's 1,000 different flavors. I'm gonna show you the one I love to make. It's simple, it's quick, it's packed full of punchy ingredients, and it's sure to make your ribs, wings, or chicken legs sing. Let's get it. First things first, the grating. I've got garlic, I've got ginger, and I've got orange. Get yourself a microplane and just grate through all of those ingredients. The ginger's gonna add a little bit of heat, a little bit of spice, and just a really fresh, fragrant flavor. Garlic, that's punchiness, that's depth, that's aromat, and orange. It's because I like it. The orange to one side, all this stunning flavor, that beautiful extractive flavor, is gonna go straight into our pan. Now, when we juice our oranges, always roll them first. And that's gonna break up the inside of the orange and just make it a little bit easier to extract that juice. Juice of the whole thing straight in. Now the grating's out of the way, the only real manual labor you need to do for this recipe, we can start opening jars and bottles. First up, ketchup, straight in. Next up, soy sauce. Then we hit it with a balsamic, a touch of sesame, good spoon of Dijon, brown sugar, and then the spices. Smoky paprika and ground coriander. Now all we're gonna do is put this pan on the heat, bring it up to the boil. Now what at the minute looks a little bit split and a little bit unrecognizable, with the addition of heat, will slowly amalgamate and melt those flavors together to create a stunning, simple barbecue sauce. Now because this has got such a high sugar content, you don't want to burn it. It will be bubbling, but stay over it until that all boils together. We're gonna leave that to gently simmer for 3 minutes and then it's done. Now this is simmered. I can smell the garlic, the ginger, the orange, the hit of sesame, all those flavors beautifully mixing together and creating this stunning barbecue sauce. We're just gonna wait till that cools down and then we'll get it in a bowl. And once we're cool, you end up with something like this, a beautiful thick pan of punchy barbecue sauce. All that's left to do is dish it up and enjoy. For marinating, for dipping, for glazing, this barbecue sauce is personally my favorite. You've got to give it a go at home. Super simple, quick to make, and keeps in your fridge for at least 2 weeks. My stunning barbecue sauce with orange, ginger, and a hit of garlic. Ah, thank you.